Jokedne ratiro mag joma mine kod nyithindo manyiri kaunti ma Narok kwayo mondo mi kal paro ma chik mabiro chiwo kuma ger ne ji mapod tero nyithindo manyiri nyange. Kotelni kod Robert Simotuo motelne weche mag tuke sekta mas somo yango nyangu manyiri kaka sani mano omedore kod 51% e gwengego nyaka sani gikwayo mondo mi jotelo mag siasa oriw gi lwedo e duoko piny timbe nyangu ma nyithindo manyiri nyato kalo kuom od bura ma loso chike kaka yor reso nyithindo manyiri ma kido kod timbe ma kamago thiro ngimagi.
But the moment we cooperated, partner and
anti-FGM in Narok, the prevalence is still high. We still stand at 51%, which is not just a number. It is far much above the national prevalence of 15%. I can attest to the public that the governor of Narok County is our champion number one.
Tumekubaliana ya kwamba tutahimiza kwa wananchi wote wa Narok ya kwamba waelimishe watoto ili wawache mambo ya kukeketa na wapate maisha mzuri baadaye.
As part of the Gender Technical Working Group, we are very happy by this milestone that we've made as a team. This journey started way long ago, I think around from 2021 to date. We've gone through a process of, developing the policy to launching and even now to the, implementation matrix being developed and now getting this approval. So we really appreciate the commitment of the county, the members of the county assembly and also the anti-FGM board in participating in this forum that will lead to the resource allocation towards that implementation.